be remembered as the eventful and surprising month for the Indian drone sectors, which has witnessed some major happenings in the industry. Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation Shri Jyotiraditya Scindia gave the first type certificate under Drone Rules 2021 to iotech World Aviation for AgriBot drone. And India's second type certificate was received by Crystal Ball, which is known as cbai Technologies Private Limited under Drone Rules 2021. The Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, BSF, named Gurutva Systems Private Limited as the winner of 2022 Bhumi Challenge Award at the BSF Investiture Ceremony. IIT Guwahati has used drones to reach out to the people trapped in the floodwaters in Lower Assam for relief. The whole operation was carried out by Kolkata-based startup Drones Tech Lab with the help of Kamrup administration. Botlab Dynamics had worked with the government of Djibouti in Africa and organized a drone light show through the night sky of Djibouti on their 45th Independence Day. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has invested an undisclosed amount in Garuda Aerospace Private Limited and has been roped in as the brand ambassador of the startup. Later on this month, Garuda Aerospace announced that it has teamed up with Malaysian-based HII Global to set up a 2.42-hectare drone factory in Malaysia with an investment of Rs 115 crores. Maxed S partners with Ideaforge to offer advisory services including product strategy, go-to-market fit and revenue acceleration. In addition, Ingram Micro India is pleased to announce a distribution agreement with Ideaforge for defense, homeland security and enterprise. The Indian Council of Medical Research released a guidance document for use of drones in healthcare for medical supplies in far-flung areas. After drones, Mukesh Ambani is looking to enter the critical space of aircraft design through a Bengaluru-based subsidiary Sankhya Sutra Lab. Tata Strive partners with Dronacharya Aerial Innovations are generating drone-based employment opportunities across their 150 centers in India. Sky Air Mobility and Aster DM Healthcare have joined hands to transport essential medicine and critical lab samples from Aster MIMS Hospital to Aster Mother Hospital, Arikod, by air using drones. Garuda Aerospace has planted 75,000 seeds across India by launching the Vriksh Vahan drone on World Environment Day. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi has decided to deploy drones to map the elevation of landfills and also monitor the reduction in its height along with other parameters. India is set to deploy drones to gather atmospheric data that is currently collated by sending sensors through weather balloons released from at least 55 locations across the country twice every day. India's nascent drone industry is turning to 3D printing firms to ramp up production in absence of adequate infrastructure to tap into the emerging drone as a service opportunity for sectors such as healthcare, agriculture and delivery. The supply of key medical facilities, which will take a few minutes instead of 1.5 hours to be transported to Jhajjar from AIIMS, Delhi, with a drone corridor being introduced between the two locations. Army Design Bureau is facilitating drone manufacturers and partners to test the performance of their products in challenging altitudes and weather conditions in North Bulu and Khardungla from 15 June 2022 onwards. In major development in making the autonomous passenger vehicles a reality in India, IIT Hyderabad is going to test the first ever passenger drone in a week's time. Saga Defence Engineering had demonstrated a flying sprint of their experimental craft to high-level delegation of the Australian government headed by Deputy Prime Minister of Australia at INS Hansa, Goa. To announce the launch of IKEA's store in Nagasandra, the brand hosted a first-of-its-kind drone show, which is the biggest drone show in Karnataka. The students of the IIT Bombay designed and built indoor airships in a competition which succeeded to become a part of the International Conference on Design and Engineering of Lighter Than Air Systems. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Do like our video, do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.